Hey loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for dropping by. If you are an OG, I see you. So guys, I'm back with another video. If you've been to this channel, you know I do DIYs, and today I'm going to do a very easy video, one of the most easiest videos. So I'm just going to use these recycling bottles, these clear recycling bottles and marbles to create a masterpiece. All right. So for me, if you know me, you know I'm a collector. So I've collected this from one of the bottles is from the perfume that they sell, the refilling perfume. The other one was a Decor piece I got, and then the other one is a bowl. Yeah, it's my cereal bowl, but I'm going to use them as decoration pieces today. And as I said, it's just using this plus the marble. Okay. So just stay tuned on this channel as we go ahead and do this. So I'm going to use this crystal clear, this crystal stones. As you can see, I have both colored, like the multiple colors where you can be able to see these shouting and screaming colors, popping colors, and then I have these ones that look like a sea. Yeah. So in this DIY, super simple. We're just going to be adding and doing nothing extra. Okay. And as we're doing this, it's super therapeutical, guys. By the dropping of these balls or these stones into that the crystal into the glass jars or bottles was very therapeutical. All right. So as I'm doing this, I want to know, how are you doing? How are you? Especially if you're watching me from Kenya, how are you doing? Are you okay? My heartfelt condolences to the family who have lost their loved ones during this tough time that you're going through. And for fallen heroes, your names will never be forgotten. We truly appreciate you. Thank you so much for bringing Kenya to where it is today. All right. So if you are here in Kenya and you're going to the maandamanos, be safe, keep peace, and guys, just be safe. Okay. If you cannot be able to go to the maandamano, but you can't be able to raise your voice in some other ways, kindly do that, because we are going to liberate Kenya. Okay. All right, thank you so much. So as you can see, my crystal, look at how cute they look. Like, I love the way the bottle itself made sure that those stones are glowing. Like, it looks like I can see inside a bottle. Just look at that, how cute those crystals turned out to be. Yeah. So for the other one, as you can see from the bowl, I already added this one, and I want them to be exactly the same but on this bottle. So with these stones, they come in different sizes. Yeah, there are those small ones, we have big ones. It all depends with what you want. So for me, when it comes to the colored one, I had small, but again I realized that they had mixture of sizes, but they're not big. Yeah. So these ones are small, so that's why it was easy for them to go through the bottle. Guys, my voice inapotea, my voice is misbehaving. So if you feel like Hauneski, I apologize. I'm so sorry. Just that sijui sauti yangu inaenda hapi. Yeah. Anyway, guys, so as I was saying, when you add this to bottle, you see the way they are making those two noises. This was very super therapeutical to me. I was feeling like, I don't know, shayeka banyo kwa chupa alafu katingiza hizo kelele you make. It felt so nice, guys. And as I mentioned, it's the most simplest DIY, because after this we're not going to do anything. Yeah. So if you want them to stick on the bottle, you can start by adding glue, kumoga glue inside. You can put glue inside and then ensure that the glue is placed well in the near bottle, and then now you add the marbles, so they're not going to come out or anything. But for me, I didn't want to have them stuck or a bottle or make the bottle look some type of way because of the glue. So I decided just to add them just like that. And guys, just tell me what you see from that screen. On that screen, what you can see. Tell me that is not magical. Just tell me. Can you even just say it's not magical? Because for me, the way the bottle made the stones glow, the way the bottle reflected, the way the stones were reflected on that bottle made everything look beautiful, guys. I loved these from the beginning to the end. I was feeling that I like I've created a magical piece. Yeah. So guys, as I mentioned, we're doing nothing else. This is done. That is our decoration. You can choose to have them standing somewhere next to your wall. You can choose to have them lying, the bottles lying somewhere on a surface, so you can be able to place them in between. Like you can just divide them, yeah, like have the bottle on the sides, and then yani after that kupanga ni wewe, play with it the way you want. But guys, look at that, look how cute they are. Just look how they're reflecting from the bottles. Just, oh my god, oh my god, tell me this is not an awesome piece of art. Like guys, randomly adding marbles to your bottles, and they look like this. You can be able to add your marbles to any bottle. Just make sure that it's colorless or transparent, and then it's going to reflect like that. Like I love that, especially this one that has a lot of blues. It looks like an ocean somewhere, you know. You've ever seen those pictures of oceans? Yeah, that, oh my god, this was magical. And with that guys, I'm done. Like, we're done with this decoration, and thank you so much for watching. I know it was the most simplest, yeah, from all the from all the mtu asikuja kuniambia tunasemanga kila DIY ni simple. This was super simple because there's nothing, literally nothing extra we have done. Yeah, so from that, this is what our end product, and I'm super happy that they turned it. I love how the word love comes in for your bottle, guys. Oh my god. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching this video. It has been a joy creating this for you guys. As you can see, like, yo, I don't have words. I don't have words. I hope that you have loved this DIY. If you want to know where I got the marbles from, I got them from Panda Mats at Garden City. For the bottles, as I said, I'm a collector, but if you want to have such bottles, you can also request for them. I can find for you, yeah, I can find for you, because guys, it's collecting. But yeah, I'm done with this. I wish you could see how beautiful my my TV stand looks like, because I'm placing them on next to my TV. And guys, they brought life to that space. They brought life to that space. And guys, I love. So guys, from my end, it has been a joy creating the video for you. Thank you so much for watching. Till next time, bye bye. I hope that you love it.